10 secret travel hacks to save money in 2025. Think you know how to save money while traveling? Think again. These 10 secret hacks will save you hundreds, maybe thousands in 2025. Let's go. Number 1. Book in the Goldilocks window. Don't book too early. Don't book too late. Domestic flights are cheapest 1 to 3 months ahead. International, 2 to 6 months is your sweet spot. 2. Use VPNs for lower prices. Prices change depending on where you're booking from. Use a VPN to search flights from different countries. Sometimes you'll save 10 to 30%. 3. Midweek booking equals lower rates booking vacation rentals. Lock them in on Tuesdays or Wednesdays. Fewer people booking means better prices. 4. Refunds after you book. Use price drop tools like Hopper or Skyscanner. Some credit cards refund you if prices fall after you book. 5. Max out credit card points. Use travel credit cards. Sign-up bonuses can give you free flights, hotels, and upgrades, but always pay off your balance in full. 6. Airfare websites. Sites like Secret Flying find mistake fares. You could score round-trip flights for just a few $100s. 7. Fly off-peak. Fly on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, or Saturdays. Avoid Fridays and Sundays. They cost way more. 8. Pack like a pro. Master carry-on packing. Use packing cubes and wear your bulkiest items on the plane. Skip those checked bag fees. 9. Use local SIM cards. Don't pay for international roaming. Buy a local SIM when you land. It's cheaper and gives you better data. 10. Book your tours direct. Skip big booking sites. Contact local guides directly. You'll save money and get a better experience. Want more travel hacks? Subscribe right now for weekly tips, hidden gems, and money-saving secrets. See you on the next adventure.